how to manage your Facebook notification. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can head over first to your settings. And then from in there, click on this notifications and status bar. Now click on this right here. It can be your status bar. Or you can also look for the Facebook right here. Click on this Facebook and then you can disable your notifications with this one. Once it's been disabled, you won't be able to receive any notifications from Facebook anymore. Alternatively, you can also change your notification type. You can allow birthdays, you can not allow them. You can also allow or enable or disable some things like events, friend requests, and a lot more to this one. Now, you can also go right here to your status bar and you can make sure to show notification icon, network speed, carrier name, and a lot more. So that's how you manage your Facebook notifications. Hope we helped.